Are you over 60? Do you suffer from sciatica pain every day? Did you know that many people mistakenly believe that sciatica is just a natural part of aging? But here's the thing, it's not an unavoidable result of getting older. Sciatica, especially for older adults, is caused by the degeneration of muscles, joints, and nerves. It doesn't have to be a part of your daily life. What's even more surprising is that the solution is right in front of you, a simple exercise that can instantly relieve this pain. Today, I'm going to show you this life-changing exercise that works faster and lasts longer than any medication. You're probably familiar with the symptoms of sciatica, the sharp pain that runs down your hips or thighs when you sit for too long, or the burning sensation when you try to stand, walk, or bend over to pick something up. Sciatica can feel like a time bomb waiting to explode at the worst possible moment. Many older adults try countless methods, medications, massages, even acupuncture, but none seem to address the root cause. The reason is simple. Medication can only temporarily relieve the pain, but it doesn't restore the muscles and nerves that are causing the issue. And if you keep ignoring it, sciatica will only get worse over time, possibly leading to more serious health problems. If you're feeling worried and frustrated, I've got good news. It doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to live in pain. By doing a simple, scientifically backed exercise, you can fight back against sciatica. Just a few minutes a day and you'll start seeing improvements. Sciatica relief doesn't have to rely on medication. I know you've probably heard about various methods to treat sciatica, but today, I'm telling you, you can make that pain disappear with just a few simple movements. In fact, exercise works better than medication. It not only alleviates the pain, but it also helps restore nerve function and muscle strength. That's right, exercise. And the exercise I'm going to show you today has been proven over years of research to quickly and effectively relieve sciatica pain and help you get back to normal life. Are you ready to change your life? Don't worry. This exercise is simple, easy to learn, and perfect for anyone, especially if you're over 60. Now let's dive into a simple exercise that will quickly relieve your sciatica pain. It's called the Pelvic Bridge. This exercise targets your glutes, thighs, and lower back muscles, and also helps improve your spine mobility. By doing this exercise, you'll feel the relief from sciatica pain almost immediately. Start by lying flat on your back, with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides with your palms facing down, relaxed. As you exhale, slowly use your glutes and thighs to lift your hips, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position for 5 seconds, tightening your glutes and keeping your core engaged. Inhale, and slowly lower your hips back to the ground to return to the starting position. Repeat this motion 10-15 times and aim for 2 to 3 sets per day. The pelvic bridge activates the muscles in your glutes, hamstrings, and core, helping to relieve pressure on your lower back and hips. This exercise reduces spinal pressure on your sciatic nerve, promotes blood circulation, and provides quick relief from sciatica. The pelvic bridge is inspired by classic yoga and Pilates exercises. It not only helps build muscle strength, but also aids in relaxing your body, restoring your natural balance. From a psychological perspective, this exercise helps you regain control of your body, boosting your confidence and strength. Now, let's move on to the second exercise, seated leg stretch. The goal of the seated leg stretch is to improve the flexibility of your legs and relieve the pressure on your sciatic nerve. Start by sitting in a chair with your legs bent naturally and your feet flat on the floor. Straighten one leg, pointing your toes upward, and try to keep the leg fully extended. Reach forward with both hands toward your toes and hold the stretch for 10 seconds. Then, return to the starting position. Switch to the other leg and repeat the same motion. Do 10-12 repetitions for each leg. This exercise is great for stretching the hamstrings, which can become tight and contribute to sciatica. By releasing the tension in these muscles, you can reduce the pressure on your sciatic nerve and find relief. The seated leg stretch draws inspiration from traditional flexibility training methods in Eastern practices. It provides a gentle stretch to help relax your body and restore vitality. This isn't just a physical exercise. It's an opportunity for self-care, reminding us to listen to our bodies and stay healthy. Finally, let's talk about the third exercise, Cat-cow stretch. The goal of the cat-cow stretch is to improve spinal flexibility and relieve tension in the spine and sciatic nerve. Begin on all fours, with your shoulders and knees aligned under your body. As you inhale, lift your head and chest, arching your back into the cow position. As you exhale, lower your head and round your back into the cat position. Repeat this movement 10-15 times, keeping your breath steady. The cat-cow stretch helps increase spinal flexibility and relieves lower back tension caused by prolonged sitting. Through these gentle bending and stretching motions, you improve blood flow around your spine, reducing pressure on the sciatic nerve. This classic yoga move is not just about enhancing flexibility, but also helping to relieve stress. Through this exercise, you can experience the benefits of deep relaxation, balancing your body and mind. Before you start any of these exercises, make sure your body is in a condition that's suitable for exercise. If you have any severe joint issues or medical conditions, it's always best to consult with a doctor or physical therapist first. Additionally, when performing these exercises, be sure to follow these key tips. Always use support. Especially for beginners, it's helpful to have a chair or wall nearby for balance. Start slow. You don't need to do a lot of repetitions at first. A small amount of exercise is enough to start seeing results. Focus on form, not speed. Make sure to perform each exercise with proper posture to avoid unnecessary injury. Keep a gentle mindset. These exercises shouldn't cause intense pain. Mild discomfort is normal, but stop immediately if you feel pain. Sciatica relief isn't about relying on medications. With simple, effective exercises, you can address the root cause of the pain and restore your health and confidence. These exercises may seem simple, but they can significantly improve your quality of life and help you regain your freedom of movement. If you're over 60, start these exercises today. You don't need a gym and you don't need any equipment. Just a few minutes each day and you'll see results. Every step brings you closer to better health. Please leave a comment below and tell me how you feel after doing these exercises. I'll read every single comment carefully and discuss more ways to maintain a healthy, strong body.